past the city wall and are outside Munich. Incoming transmission. Escort the civilian transports to the abandoned subway on the southwest side of Old Munich. At least one transport must survive.
Our sonic emitters. They seem to be weakening the invaders, Commander.
Under attack.
Time to go. We hear you.
We're taking heavy damage. Get him off our back. We thought we were alone in the infernal busting. Holy hubris. Prepared and ready to roll. Let's blow this top stand. We're over the bridge. Almost there. Almost there. Electrical system failing. Taking too much damage. Emergency repairs in action. Patch it through. Hope this works.
Ready to
tear it up.
Unit promoted.
So where's the action? Come on, come on, come on. Electrical systems patched and ready. Let's go.
We're here. Time to go.
Who we get?
Unit under attack.
What do you need?
We're home free, sir. Evacuating GDI Council.
Objective fulfilled. Our base is under attack.
Nice work, Commander. Looks like these things aren't invincible after all. Of course, I'd feel a lot better about our victory if I had any idea what their agenda was beyond just wreaking havoc. But one benefit of that uncertainty is it seems to have driven Director Boyle into hiding.
I secured bunker and wreck ticket. Nothing you're supposed to do too, General.
Not a chance in hell. We're going to use this time wisely, make some moves without being second-guessed. And you're the key here, Commander. I need you to turn the tide against these invaders. Build up some momentum, just like you did against Nod. Anyone else I'd worry about putting too much on your shoulders, but you seem to want that responsibility.
We don't have much time. The invaders have spread out from Munich into several other cities in the region. Kirsi will bring you up to speed.